For over 15 years, this private jet sat abandoned, forgotten by the world, left to rot in silence. But one designer saw something nobody else could see. A luxury mansion hidden inside a plane. What if abandoned aircraft could become modern homes? What if luxury architecture met aviation engineering? Today, we explore the unbelievable transformation concept of a private jet reborn as a futuristic mansion. This aircraft was once a symbol of wealth, flying executives, celebrities, and millionaires across the world. But after years of neglect, nature slowly reclaimed it. The abandoned aircraft. Engineers are working on the abandoned aircraft. Instead of scrapping the aircraft, the idea was simple. Transform it into a luxury living space, not just a home, an experience. The exterior design preserves the aircraft's identity, while blending modern luxury architecture, glass, steel, ambient lighting, turning aviation history into futuristic living. Inside, the jet becomes almost unrecognizable. The cockpit transforms into a private office. The cabin becomes a luxury living room, every inch redesigned for comfort and elegance. But the real magic is hidden beneath the surface. Advanced smart home technology, sustainable energy systems, and luxury features designed for the future. At night, the abandoned aircraft disappears completely, reborn as one of the most unique luxury homes imaginable. Transforming a jet into a home isn't easy. The structure must be reinforced, insulation redesigned, electrical systems rebuilt from scratch. But the result could redefine luxury architecture. What was once abandoned has now become extraordinary. Proof that even forgotten machines can be reborn into something beautiful. Would you turn an abandoned aircraft into your dream home? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe for more unbelievable architecture transformations.